Guys, I think the police is here. Look at this. Even though it looks like the SWAT, to be honest. I think the police are here on. Oh, the police here or summer. The police here or summer. Oh, the police here. Oh, the police here. Hey, sip it, Trumpy. There you go. Oh, the police, the SWAT here or summer. Yeah, there you are, SWAT pants. You little SWAT, bro. See this? Bro, the SWATs came here for absolute nothing, didn't they? They're just here to do so much silly. Look at them, look. Hey, yo, what the heck's that one doing? Trying to do a 360 or something. Trying to do a 360 or something, mate. Because I don't think it's happening. Yeah, do a 360 a day. Yeah, it's not happening. Not happening today. Right. I just zoomed in. What? What? They look like a cockroach. Get out. Is there a higher view? Okay. Yeah, that could. Is there any more? Oh, no. There he is. There he is, mate. There he is. Yeah, it's got a fort, mate. It's got a fort. Yeah, get out of here, mate. Yeah, get out of here. I'm scaring you. Yeah, there you are. Come back over here. Get in here. Get in this house, mate. Get in here. Yeah, get in this house. Get in my house. Get in my house, mate. Get in. Get in my house. Get in my house. Get in my house, bro. Okay, that looks good. Okay, these two are coming back over. Nah, these two are coming. They have to be coming back. Hey, your bro's already on the pitch. It's not bloody football. Oh, yo, look at this guy, man. Yeah, bro thinks he's calling. Get over it. There you go. Yeah, bye-bye, bye-bye. Say goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bro's over there. Bro's over there. Bro is over there. Sorry, this has probably been 3:27 minutes long. Okay, this is what? What is he doing? Hey, you want a collision, mate? You want a collision? Don't think it's happening. Oh, bro's landing now. Bro is landing. R.I.P. bro. Where's he? I forgot. R.I.P. bro. Hey, yo, stop tricking me, bro. You little trickster, I'm waving to you. Say hello, guys. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. You, boy, do you? It's random today how planes keep looking at me, bro. Even the helicopters are doing it now. Right, what the heck? It's probably been 4 minutes 30 now. Okay, bro's over there. He's not really. Zoom out a little. Okay, I'll zoom back in. Just zoom all the way in. I'll go going all the way in here. Yeah, bro, so now I'm close. Now I'm close. It is all the... There he is! But it's 5 minutes right in now. But this video may be long. I have no idea. I have no total idea. Who else is coming up here? Who else is coming? Hey yo! There are three collisions helicopters over here. Three collisions. The three helicopter. The three helicopters. What is it? Well, I tried to do it's crashing or something. It's going head first on the floor. It's going head first. Get me in here. Okay. Get me in here. Yeah, bro's over there. He's doing a big fat 360, isn't he? He's gonna do a 360. My bro's over there just... Is bro doing his own thing over there? Is bro doing his own thing or what? Is bro doing his own thing? And bro's doing his own thing? What's that? Oh wait, is this something? No. No way. Hello, you coming to say hello to us? You coming to say hello to us? Yeah, come over me a wheelchair. Yeah, you're all landed now, aren't you? Okay, they're all landing now. Yep, they're all landing on that. Yeah. Yeah, boys on the way. Right, that. Right. Because I'm standing up on this chair, bro. It's making me even more tired of recording this. Ayo. What, you're supposed to clap some up? Well done then, well done. What you clapping for? There's nothing you've seen yet. There's nothing you've seen. What are you clapping for? Well, look for this guy. Maybe. Okay, he's over. He is tough. Where is he? I cannot see him at all. There he is. Bro, get out. Okay. Okay? I got no idea what they're doing. But blame me if you can't see him. What did it? How in the world? Okay, how are you supposed to... They've landed. I think they landed now. The SWATs have landed, haven't they? Look at them over there. They should be over there. Don't blame me if you can't see him, because there's a bunch of people in the way. Bro, they're all the way over there. I can't see because the sun is shining right now and I cannot see a thing. I'm going to go in road shiny, so I don't know why it's doing it now. But I can't see anything, it's because I can't see it. There you are, mates. There you are. Get past this guy. Okay, he's gone behind the hut, bro. Guys, he's gone behind the hut. He has gone behind.
There's one more to go. One more to go. Get over there,
mate. Get over there. Don't ignore your boss. Get over. Oh wait, is he the mate?
Oh yeah, get
landing over here, mate. Get it.
Get over here. But I tried to zoom in as close as I could.
Oh my god, you're in the way!
What the heck? Okay, it's gone back.
Now all of them are gone behind. I wonder if they'll come back out again. Who knows? Who knows if they came back out again, guys?
Because at the moment of what I'm seeing, I can't see.
Yeah. Guess it's gone, isn't it? Really gone, hasn't it? I think they landed by now, haven't they? Have they landed?
I just have to force myself to leave my big fat belly up. Yeah, I'm just pointing at big boat. It's both bolty or something because it's not got any.
Anyway, I think it should be ended. I think I should end it here because they're not really coming back out.
So,
Like for part 10 or something, because I have done probably 10 videos now. Like for part 10. See you next time. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, okay? Or I'm going to come to your house tonight at 3 a.m. and hide under your beds.
Too close, mate, catch your nose.